Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to grant applications access to our videos in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 phone. So to grant permission to use our videos, we have to go to settings, next security and privacy, then privacy, and we have here permission manager. We are looking for our videos. Where are our videos permissions? Yes, photos and videos. Right now, 6 out of 24 applications are allowed to use our videos. Let's go here. And let's say we want to change our permissions. For example, Mr. Chrome, I don't want you to look at my videos. And now Chrome is gone and won't be using our videos. Again, we can add it the same way, allow, and now it's on the allowed list. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.